Get powerful performance without the hassles of gas. Rule the outdoors with the 18-volt X2 LXT Brushless Blower. It's powered by two 18-volt batteries for maximum performance and runtime. That means no gas, lower noise, less maintenance, and zero emissions. The BL Brushless motor delivers up to 120 mph air velocity and 473 cfm of air volume. And with a 6-stage air velocity volume selection dial, you can control the exact power you need for different applications. You get it all, but without the noise, emissions, maintenance, and expense of a gas-powered blower. It's compatible with Makita 18-volt lithium-ion batteries. With the fastest charge times, Makita lithium-ion tools, batteries, and chargers are backed by a 3-year limited warranty. Equipped with star protection, communication technology between the tool and battery that protects against overload, over-discharge, and overheating. It's part of the Makita 18-volt series, the world's largest 18-volt lithium-ion cordless tool lineup. One LXT system compatible with over 150 solutions.